Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to make a very simple command handler. You can add more features to it later on, but now we're just going to start with a very basic one. So now first we're going to import fs. It is used to read read commands require fs. So it is just used to like read files and a lot of stuff. You can just go to file system package node.js, and you can just search it in Google and you will see all of the functions. It's going to it takes so much time to load the potato PC. Oh my god. Okay, it came up. Okay, so you can see file system node.js.org. You can see fs. So yes, here we are. We can see a lot of things here, but we need the reader. You can see this reader. We need the sync one. It is the asynchronous version. We need the synchronous one. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Reader sync. Here it is. fs.reader sync, and then a path. So we're just going to use this function. We have imported reader sync from fs. Now we're just going to do it here, handler to reader sync to /commands. So we need to make a folder called commands. Now we are reading this commands directory, and we're gonna read this. So let command folders equals reader sync the commands directory. Now we are going to do command folders. So it is going to return an array of folders inside the commands directory. Dot for each. Let's keep it as cd. You can keep it as whatever you want. Now we are going to do const files equals. I'm just going to let files equals reader sync, and then a template literal dot slash commands slash $cd, and then slash. Now this is going to read all of the folders inside the commands directory. Let's make a folder called info. So now if we do let's see, console.log files, so I'm just also going to filter the files which end with the JS extension. So we don't want the we don't want fs to read commands like read files which ends with the .md or .txt extension. We only want it to read the files which ends with .js. Right, so we're going to do .filter file equals file that ends with and .js. So now this is going to filter all the files that ends with .js. Now we're going to console.log files. So now we're going to add a file called ping.js, and now okay, and hopefully this shouldn't throw any error here. Let's try running this. Oops, there's an error. Let's see, what did I mess up? Oh, command folder is not defined. What the hell? Oh, it's command folders. You can see ping.js. Now you can see commands and then info, and then you can see ping.js. I'll make another folder called, let's see, moderation, and then make another folder called band.js. And now if I rerun the bot, we will see ping.js and band.js, both of these. So now you're going to loop through all of these files. So for bracket let file of files, so this is going to return each file. We're going to do console.log file. Now if we do this again, let's see, you can see it just returned only the name outside the array. So now we're going to make a global variable. So we're going to make a client.commands equals new collection. So you can see more about the collections in the DJS docs. You should just search collection. Hopefully it should be there. Yes, it should be here somewhere. Okay, it's not. You can search it on Google actually. New collection. So now we're just going to import. Oh my god. Import collection from discord.js. And see collection. So client.commands equals a new collection. Now we're going to do const file equals required. I'm going to do dot slash. Let's see. What is it? Dot slash commands slash dollar cd slash and then the file. So now we are reading each and every file on this directory. So it is going to go inside this and then inside this and then read this file, and then it's going to go inside this and read this file. So each and every file we're reading all of this. Now we are going to do client.commands. So we declared it up here, client.commands dot set. Set is another function. Now value is going to be any. So we are going to set a file dot name. So file dot name will tell you what is it, and then the file. So we are setting the name of the file and then just the file. Okay. So that should be it for the for reading the files. It should set the commands itself. Now we can also do console.log loaded and then the file name, so plus file.name. It's gonna delete this. I won't make a ban command right now. Now we're gonna go into our message event. Now we're gonna execute our commands. So we're gonna do const args equals message dot content dot slice. Now we have to slice something from the message. So now we are gonna make our prefix. So we're just gonna make a file called config.json, and then here we are gonna make a prefix which is going to be a string. Now prefix, let's keep it just the exclamation mark for now. Now we're gonna import prefix from the config.json. So const something equals require dot slash config.json. Now we're just going to import the prefix which we just defined here. Now we are going to do message.content.slice, and then we can slice the prefix, so prefix.length. So we're just going to slice the prefix on the message, so we get the raw args. We're going to trim it, so remove every space, and then dot split, and then a regex slash plus slash. Now we're going to do const command equals args.shift. You can check all of these functions. It should be in the md and docs.shift in JavaScript. You can search for everything in Google. I'm doing if you don't know all of this. And array shift method. So it's going to return an array here. There's also an unshift and then splice and all of this, but we're just going to use args.shift. Hopefully I'm recording. Yes, I'm recording. Oh my god, my PC is so slow. Okay, so we're going to args.shift, and then we are going to change all of them to the lowercase. Dot to lowercase, change all of the things to the lowercase, if you know. Now we made our command. So now we can do const command equals client.commands. There's another function, so you know client.commands, so we required it up here. Client.commands dot get, it's another function. Now we are going to get the command. So the command is going to be the command name which we have stored. We stored the command name right here, file.name client.command.set. So we are going to get it from we're gonna get that thing from the command. So now if we're gonna do if there is no command, so this says if there is no command, it's gonna return you can say return message dot channel reply. Do couldn't find this command. It's optional. You don't need to do this. Now we can do else. If there is the command, then we are gonna do command.run and then client, provide the parameters client, the message and args. So command.run is a function. You can see this came up here. You can do dot shift, remove the first item from the array. So you can see the first item in this array is banana, so it's going to remove the banana from the array. So now it's going to do command.run. So it's going to put it inside the try catch block, put it inside and do this and catch error. We're going to throw new error and then error. So it should be, hopefully it did correctly. And now we can make a command. So we can do a ping command. So let's const message embed equals require and then discord.js and do module.exports. Now we are exporting an object from this command. So we will provide the name. So you can see this, we gave it as file.name. So it is reading this file and then finding the name of the, and we're exporting something, right? So it's going to read this file and then set the name that is provided here, exported here. So we are just going to give ping here and name will ping. So if we just do exclamation mark ping, it's going to do something. It's going to run this. So now we're going to run and then client. We need the message and we don't need the args. We are on. Alright. So now we're going to do let's just say message dot reply and then embeds will be new message embed dot set title. Now we're going to become message embed here working. So embeds will be a new message embed and then we're going to set the title as working. So now we're gonna, hopefully I've done everything correctly, if I'm not wrong. Oh my god, I messed something up. Let's see. Cannot access file before initialization. Oh, I've already declared file. Const do command. Have I declared command before? I don't think I've declared command. Const command equals require this to command, and this is also going to be command, and I'm going to change this to command. So now if I run this, it should open up a loaded ping and logged in as tutorial bot. So now I'm just going to do exclamation mark ping down here and it should respond with working. As you can see, it's working perfectly. So now we have made our very simple ping command. Now I'm just going to make it a bit advanced and then finish up this video. Just going to comment this out. I'm going to do const initial message equals await, this is a promise, so await message dot reply pinging dot do initial message dot edit. Yes, I'm just going to do this. Embeds, it's going to be an array of embeds, new message embed dot set description, so template literals, and then I'm going to do bots ping is and then dollar client dot other stuff ping. This will return the ping of the bot ms. So to remove this and it should work if we didn't mess something up. Oh, never mind. Let's see. Oh, async, because our wait is only valid in an async function and loaded ping. And now if I do this, oh, what the hell? I'm just going to do initial message dot delete. I'm just going to do message dot reply and now it should work. I copy this ping. You can see bot ping is 37 ms. Oh, it's pretty fast actually. I never expected it to be that fast. So that's basically all for this video. Hope you understood what I said. I'm not very good in making people making people teaching things, so hopefully I did my best in explaining what I am doing here. So in the next video I'm going to show you how to make an event handler. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you get any errors, comment down below. I'm going to make a Discord server soon. Okay, so that's all. Thanks for watching.